When working inside of SmartSuite, it is extremely easy to export and print out the different information that you have inside of your solutions and apps. Print and export is just a simple click away. By pressing the three dots at the top of your app, you can select to print your view into a variety of different sizes and layouts. You have the option to pick between portrait and landscape, and then pick whatever paper size that you'd like as well. You can adjust the size of the font and change the actual size as well to either be the actual size or fit to page width. And then when I select print, it'll showcase to me what exactly came out of this printing option. So I would clearly pick a landscape option for a grid so that it would showcase the space more effectively. Now, in a similar way, you also can export this into either an Adobe PDF, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or a CSV file. If I were to select Google Sheets, for example, I can sign in with my Google account so that if I press open report, it will easily export this into a nice spreadsheet for me. The same will be done when you select the CSV or Microsoft Excel options, except that will download it into a file rather than it sending you to a Google Sheet in your signed in Google account. Make sure to try out printing out and exporting all of your different data inside of SmartSuite today.